just you, and nobody else but you. I'm gonna be loved by you. Ba 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 boo 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 boo.
I think she wants to do a poo-poo. Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Where are we? Downtown, Paphos Harbour. It's a spectacality of an evening indeed. Feast your eyes and digest. Not only the beauty of Miss Ochin Gracieviela, but also the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea. Now, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world. And of course, her name is Miss Ochin Gracieviela.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again. Amazing, beautiful weather. Atmosphere to die for. What?
It is indeed. Third week of December. Ochin Gracieviela is dancing and prancing on a wall in front of the blue Mediterranean Sea, especially for one or two superstars. Perhaps if your name is Sir John Ricey, this could be especially for you. There we are. We've been spotted. Let's go and say hello. What's your name, my dear?
Hi, I'm Razan. Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
Yeah.
And where are you from, Razan?
I'm from Chicago originally.
Chicago.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Salim.
Salim?
Manchester, UK.
Ah, there we are. He's a bit more local, just down the road from me.
I was telling him about watching you guys yesterday, I think it was.
I
Wow.
was telling you there's a couple of reviews on the places in Paphos.
A couple of idiots.
Yeah.
There we are.
And then as I'm walking, I'm like, I swear that's the YouTube couple.
Can I ask a question? You're from Chicago.
Yeah.
You're from Manchester. Where did you meet?
Michigan?
Michigan.
Mitch,
Yeah.
what were you doing there?
One of my best friends is marrying her best friend. And the rest is history.
And the rest is history. You have a great holiday. And hopefully we'll see you again.
Where you staying? One more question.
The Amarvi.
Oof.
All right.
He's a clever man and he's got a beauty. You have a great holiday.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
Absolute superstars accosted in downtown Paphos Harbour. And what a lovely story. So his best friend went to Michigan to marry her best friend and he fell in love with her and the rest is history. Downtown Paphos Harbour on a spectacality of an afternoon indeed. Gracieviela, what do you think?
I'm getting old. This is what I think, because now I think that I forgot to make a screenshot of us three as we normally would do, and now they are far away to run after them. But I think it's wonderful, amazing atmosphere to die for. I was just not before long they accosted us. I was talking atmosphere to die for, especially after this guy's accostation is really to die for. How beautiful and how amazing moments can the person have without them to predict.
We know where they're staying. We might pop into the Amarvi because we've got a couple of bob, that's for sure. One of the best hotels on the coastal Broadwalk, and it kisses the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea. Funny time of day, by the way, because this is Paphos Harbour in between lunchtime and evening service. But one thing's for sure, whatever time you come, you're always going to get a great welcome indeed. There's Princess Leila, and she's getting ready to set up the Gilalamo, and that's the most handsome man in the world, Mr. Emmanuel. How are you doing? You all right?
You?
Have you been busy today? Yeah, you were busy this morning.
Yep.
That's what we like to hear. What about tonight, do you think?
Nope.
No, not tonight.
Look.
There's Leluc. Leluc's going to get a hug off Ochin Gracieviela. This is the Gilalamo restaurant bistro. Could be one of the best restaurants in Paphos. Next door to that is the Pelican restaurant. Again, not doing very well, but as the night goes on, I'm pretty sure they'll get busy. And over there in lights is the Theo's Christmas tree. Next door to that is King's. They're closed till the 1st of March. Leluc is going back to work.
Look. Why did you miss the Addis was waving you?
Addis,
Like,
we missed her.
You just like tsunami. You flew
Like a
the
tsunami.
most important parts. You flew away. What's going on here? You're just
Here she
flying
is.
away.
Look at that. Princess Addis.
See?
Greatest cocktail drinker in the world, or maker. She likes to drink them as well. Addis, how are you doing?
I'm good and you?
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
The special headgear. Are you looking forward to your new t-shirts?
Yes, please.
Yes?
I'm waiting, yes.
They'll be here soon. We're pretty sure.
Very much, yes.
We're pretty sure. My cousin King James has posted them. We know Queen Corinne has checked them, and on top of all that, we know they've been packed with love by Princess Dali. Yes, indeed. Let's keep going, because there's one or two more restaurants. This one is Sail at the Castle. As I said, it's a funny time of day, and there's not that many people around. But one thing's for sure, as the weekend comes in, they'll be getting busier and busier. There's Mr. Mike. There he is. He's checking his funds.
He's putting the toilet paper.
Let's get over here, because that's Mr. Costa. And he's the man who owns this restaurant, which is Stevie's. And we want to have a word with him and see what he's doing.
My friend.
What are you doing, Costa?
I thought you put in a toilet paper.
I'm looking for a Santa Claus.
He's dressing up Santa Claus.
Huh?
Greatest George Michael impersonator in the world, but sings so much better. Have you been busy, by the way?
Not
So.
really. Yeah, now
On the weekends you're busy.
season, yes.
Yeah. Are you going to stay open through January or close for a bit?
Well, don't close.
No, staying open.
Yes, we close only in the night time now.
Yeah.
When it's
What about Friday and Saturday night, though? Stay open?
yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
there we are.
For the weekends.
Yeah, for the weekends. So Stevie's Bar, that's it over there. And that's Ooh La 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 La, leaning on a fence, especially for you. And he's a little bit tired. I think he's bored. Let's go and have a word with him. Come on. Let's go and see what he's got to say. Ooh La 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 La. Are you bored? Are you bored? No, I understand you're a bit bored.
You're the
isn't it?
customer we have now.
There we are. You never know, we might get a free drink one of these days.
Oh, very soon.
Very soon, you think so?
Yeah, you spoke with the boss now. The boss over there. No.
In another
Go and
life,
twist his
yeah.
arm, Gracili.
In another life, I'm sure.
Come and rip
because
his
in
arms
this
off.
life I can't.
No,
I
he's a
can't.
good man. He's a good
He is. He's not a bad chap. He's not a bad chap.
Well, they all good when they are sleeping, by the way, and nobody asks them for the free drinks, actually. But we have a nice people.
We make her 20% off.
Only.
Just so you know, 20% off.
Only.
Only 20% off. That's why we'll stick with the Pelican, because, well, whether you understand it or not, we get a drink or two for free. Downtown Paphos Harbour, perhaps not on the busiest day, but it is a very, very nice day indeed. Temperature, if you're curious to know, is 18 degrees, yes. And the sun goes away, it'll drop a little bit, maybe 16. So if you are about to get on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy, bring with you a light little jumper like that lady and her partner in crime as they pedal like crazy through the downtown Paphos Harbour. It looks to me as they are going to the sunset viewing point, and that's where we are going.
Of course, that's the best place to be this time of the day, because all the people will be preparing their stuff, devices, and they will be photographing this amazing sunset, amazing. And what can be much more beautiful, much more? My
Much more? You
goodness.
can presume English, Gracili.
Beautiful. When you see such a beautiful sunset and the weather, it's spectacular.
It is
amazing.
indeed, yeah. There's no doubt about it. If you are planning on a holiday and you're looking for that last minute break, Paphos should be at the top of your list, because the temperature doesn't normally drop, Billeen, even in January. You know, 14, 15 degrees perhaps on one of the worst days, perhaps a little bit of chopsy, mopsy weather. But one thing's for sure, the next day, it'll be back up to 18, 19. So don't forget to pack your sun lotion. Everyone's going in one direction, and of course that's that direction. That is the brand new sunset viewing point. It's all lit up, and that sun is casting its final gaze onto the island of love, downtown Paphos, on a truly spectacality of a day indeed in December. Let's go and have a look at it and see what all the fuss is about, because people understand that the viewing point is brand new and the view is absolutely spectacular. So let's follow the rear end of the most beautiful woman in the world, and she's going to guide us up. There's a lot of people gathered, as you can see.
I predicted.
Now, if you like what you see, hit the like, click that subscribe, and don't forget to come back for a little bit more of our complete and utter madness. And while you're at it, why not hunt us down on the Buy Me a Coffee platform? That's where you can choose to gift us that virtual coffee or two. Of course, you could even choose to become one of our superstar members. Gracili Booth is going the wrong way, by the way. What are you going that way for, Gracilla Booth?
I'm thinking to jump in the
You're
shot.
thinking to jump.
In the shot. Yes. Do you think we
Now, how am I supposed to get back up there then? Gracilla Booth doing things rather unconventionally, shall we say. But there we are. Let's stick with it. Let's keep going. If you want to see Paphos in a totally different way, well, you come to the right channel. A little channel known as Marika and me. Now, this is going to be a laugh. Here we go. Go on, cock your leg over, Gracilla Booth. Oh my goodness. She's trying to go over here now. Ah, there we are. She's noticed a slightly oh my goodness. We almost got the view we were all dreaming of, didn't we? There we are, watching Gracilla Booth burgling a fence and protecting her modesty as she does. Gracilla Booth, you'll have to take over control of the camera work.
I will.
Paul has now got to burgle his way onto the brand new sunset viewing point.
Yes. For the men it's much easier, you see.
For a man it is a little bit easier, although now and again you can catch your jingle bells. Look at that. Feast your eyes and digest the beauty, the spectacality and the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea. And the sun has set and it's off on its travels to downtown Cado, Australia. Wow, absolutely spectacular. On that note, if you like what you see, hit the like, click that subscribe, but don't forget to come back for a little bit more of our complete and utter madness. Could be time for the big goodbye.
Well, the sun has set, but even though it's beautiful, it's amazing views opening from here, and that very place where the sun already hidden within minutes ago, we can see still the red fire shade. I would love to tell you that it's an amazing weather now at the moment being in Cyprus. Come and visit us. We're loving you and kissing you from the bottom of our two hearts.
Watching Gracilla Booth at her very best, prancing on a rock in front of the blue Mediterranean Sea, especially for you. Oh my goodness, she's off on a descent. It looks as though she wants to go and kiss the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea. Come on, Gracilla Booth, come back up, otherwise you're going to get wet feet. Oh no. Watching Gracilla Booth at her very best indeed, with that spectacality of a sunset in the background. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again very soon indeed.